In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix payment method. As a Wix user, you'll want to ensure that your billing information is up to date, whether you're managing your site for personal purposes or running a business. Updating your payment method is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to avoid any billing interruptions. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Visit Wix.com and enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the central hub for managing your site details, designs, and settings. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to ensure you know where everything is. This makes navigating to specific settings much easier. Next, on the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Account Settings section. You might need to scroll down a little if you have various options displayed. The Account Settings is the place where you control most of your site's operational features, so it's useful to know what's available there. Within Account Settings, find the section labeled Payment Method. This section houses all the billing and payment information associated with your account. Now, once you've found your payment method, you'll see an option to Update Payment Method. Click on this to modify your existing billing details. A prompt might ask you for additional verification or to re-enter your password for security purposes. This is just a security measure, ensuring that only authorized users can make changes to the account's billing information. If you notice that your plan is currently set as a free plan, there is a slightly different approach. Instead of updating an existing method, you will see an option to Add a Payment Method. Click on this. You'll then be guided through a set of instructions to seamlessly connect a new payment method. Make sure to have your credit card or bank account information handy, as you'll need these details to complete the setup. Whether you're updating an existing method or adding a new one, ensure that all your information is accurate. Double-check your card number, expiration date, and security code to prevent any transaction issues in the future. Additionally, verify that your billing address matches the address on file with your payment provider, as discrepancies could lead to payment failures. Once you have finalized your updates or additions, Wix will typically confirm the changes have been saved. It's always a good idea to log out and back in to ensure that the changes have been successful and that you're all set for your next billing cycle. That's it. Following these steps will help you change or add a new payment method on your Wix account with ease. Whether you're just starting out or managing a thriving site, keeping your payment information current is crucial for smooth operations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.